guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I am Praveshika Kumar and I'm so thrilled to be back with another video. Well, first off, meet Cookie Kumar. This is my cute little car. And sorry I'm shooting this video from here because I was actually not planning to post the October plan with me video because there was like too many things that were happening around me, and I actually sat down to plan my October setup only on 30th of September, which never happens. And I was, if you are following me on Instagram, which you should be, I did put up a story that I may not be doing a video at all for October, but I woke up in the morning and thought that that's not how it's going to be. Like, I shouldn't give up so easily. So here it is. It is a little bit of a makeshift video. I have shot the flip through at home, but I had to shoot the intro and outro, so I'm doing this right outside my office in the car because I couldn't set up and I was getting late, which I am right now. I just want to say that September has been an extremely quick but extremely hectic month with classes starting and with a lot of work that's happening around me. But I hope that October is going to be a very positive month because it's the last month of me being 22 because I turned 23 on the 2nd of November. So October is usually my month of reflection and learning and looking ahead of growing up. And sorry for the weird angles, I'm holding this in my hand. And yeah, and for October I've gone with a very minimal spread, extremely functional setup. And it's monochrome because I just thought that I need a break. I need something that's functional right now. I don't have the time to sit and do it. And that's the beauty about doing bullet journaling, isn't it? Anyway, so without much further ado, I'm gonna leave you to see the quick flip through, and I will see you guys at the next video, which I promise will be very soon. I really hope that October is gonna give me that energy and space to create more. Extremely sorry for the lack of videos in September. It's not like I didn't try, but I genuinely couldn't. But October is going to be there very soon. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave it down to the video and I will see you at the outro. Let's go right into the spread as such. Okay, so the cover page essentially is a very monochromatic, simple, extremely minimalistic cover page. So it just says October with my stamp kit, and then it says to be or not to be. That's the quote for October for me. Because of fun trivia, my birthday is on November 2nd, which means October is the last month of me being that particular years old. I'm not going to tell you how old I am now. We will find out when I do November 2nd. So to be or not to be is a very special quote to me from Hamlet of William Shakespeare, and someone reminded me of that quote in September. So I've decided to carry that as my quote for October to kind of figure out and see whether it's to be or not to be. So very direct, simple cover page, nothing too fancy because one, I didn't have the time, and two, I just wanted an extremely functional spread. Now moving on to the second page for the monochromatic spread, it's my direct month at a glance, the very usual double spread that has the numbering done. I used a grey brush pen to do the accent, so grey and black, again monochrome, but a very direct, simple spread to take that forward. Now I am really hoping October is a much of an easier month for me. It's a little more relaxing and not something that went by as quick as September. So hopefully this one is going to help me a lot. Now moving on to the next spread is my habit tracker and expense tracker. So I kind of extended my expense tracker because I realized in September I didn't have enough space to write my stuff down. Considering with classes starting and everything, I really needed this, so that's that. And the habit tracker went back to the old space because I really thought that individual boxes was taking too much time for me to fill, so this was faster. It just needed like a dash to be done. Then my usual gratitude log. Now coming to the next spread, this is a little revised spread from my study tracker. So considering that most of my study material related stuff is in September, and my classes are majorly on the weekends, I created this weekend to-do list. So it has all the 5 weekends of October, and this is going to be dedicated exclusively for my note taking and education purposes, so that I can keep tab of any particular notes or assignments that I need to carry forward to the next weekends. And also, in case I have any work meetings scheduled, I will exactly know if they're clashing with my show schedule or if they're clashing with my recording schedules or my class schedule. So this is like a quick overview of that, and that way I get a dedicated page for all of that planning, and I don't have to kind of clutter my month at a glance with that. This can have all of my major appointment and deadline related stuff, and this can have more of the weekend planning that's planned out. Anyway, now this is a very very important spread. Now you know exactly how old I am and how old I'm turning. So I created a little reflect 22 spread to kind of look back and write down the things that I want to reflect and leave behind and take over from being 22, which is officially something that's ending in October. And that means I'm growing up and a lot more responsibility. So there's a look ahead 23 where I kind of want to write down expectations, goals, and things that I want to look ahead when I turn 23. So with that, I come to the end of this very, very minimal, quick, highly efficient, monochromatic setup. It's not too fancy, but I think with October, I just really want to be simple, minimalistic, and something quick so that I can jot down the points. And hopefully my November spread will be more exciting, happy, because November is birthday month, guys. So with that, I'm going to do a quick flip through and I'll meet you guys at the outro. We're still in the car. I hope you guys saw the video and you liked my spread. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And I promise to come back with a lot more of good content in October. There are a lot of videos that I've shot, but I was unable to sit down, edit, process, and put it out there in September. But I really hope I would get around doing it in October, because September, like I mentioned, was a lot of routine change, and it was a lot of new things to take in and a lot of things to process, so the mind was a little tired. But I think October, I'm going to get used to that habit and I'm going to get back in the grid. So I'm going to see you guys very, very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to make it grow and be a part of this family. I promise to be highly accountable and keep posting content like I did today. It's a lot of effort. I put it out there. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please do leave comments down below on how September was for you and what you guys are looking forward to in October. I'll see you guys very, very soon in another video. Until next time, this is Pravishka Kumar saying tata bye bye.